Alright, about to do this patch. We're going to cut this out. We're going to re-seam in some new carpet. We brought some remnant that doesn't match. We're going to put this stuff in the closet because it doesn't match, but we won't be leaving a hole. Nick's got the seaming iron and the protein vacuum. We're ready to tear this up. We got Nick here, Nick Brandon, doing some steaming of some carpet. Just got done doing a big patch actually right here. You can't tell, well, barely. You can barely tell. But once we get this clean, you won't be able to tell at all. We've also got Lyndon down there brushing out some of the fiber, some of the fabric on that fine fabric. Angela just pre-sprayed it all. We've got the table set up with the cushions. And we've got one heck of a view here, guys. One heck of a view.
We're gonna have to get it close, so we're gonna go this way.